Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Chevy and GMC's 2007 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Uninstall the cab and lift it off the cab mounts. Remove the cab mount bushing. Clear any lines or other components from the work area. Step 3. Locate the front frame repair area. The perforations in the repair section accommodate the front cab mount and the bump on the inside of the frame rail. Step 4. If the front cab mount needs replaced, remove the front cab mount and do not remove the cab mount perforation from the frame section. If the front cab mount is not being replaced, remove the matching perforation from the frame section. Step 5. Locate the inner circle perforation for the frame rail bump. Cut only one of the perforation lines above it, then bend the metal to better accommodate the bump in the frame rail. Step 6. Grind the work area free of rust and debris and apply weld-through primer. Slide the front frame section into place using the frame holes for alignment. Use a hammer to seat it snug on the frame rail. C-clamp it in place and confirm alignment. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the front frame section in place. Then fully weld all edges. Step 7. If the front cab mount was removed earlier, install the replacement now. Before installation, weld the perforation lines closed to seal the frame section from water and debris. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer spray paint. Once dry, reinstall any removed lines or brackets. Reinstall the cab mount bushing, then lower and reinstall the cab